In the previous session, you have learned different types of always procedural assignment block. Any procedural assignment can be of two types, blocking and non-blocking. In this session you will learn about them in detail. Remember, these are applicable to any type of procedural blocks like always, initial, final, task and function. Blocking and non-blocking assignments are represented using these symbols. A simple equals sign represents a blocking assignment, and a less than equals symbol represents a non-blocking. Here the first always block uses blocking assignments and the second one uses non-blocking. The difference between them are, in case of blocking assignments, all statements within an always block will be executed sequentially, in simulation. Where, all the non-blocking assignment statements within an always block will be executed parallelly for non-blocking assignment. For blocking assignments, LHS of first expression is evaluated, assigned it to the RHS, go to next statement, again its LHS is evaluated and assigned to its RHS, and repeat this for all statements within the same always block. This is for simulation. In synthesis, the tool will generate the circuit inside always block in an equivalent manner to evaluating all statements sequentially. In case of non-blocking assignments in simulation, all LHS the expressions are evaluated using the values from previous time slot and the RHS assigned simultaneously, at the end of the current time slot. In synthesis, the tool will generate this in an equivalent manner to evaluating all statement in parallel. This is the summary of difference between them. Now you will go through each of them and understand how they will act in simulation and synthesis.